Welcome to day 3 of our common issues found with Excel. So on day 1 we looked at the issue with not finishing entering your data into a cell and the ribbon being greyed out. On day 2 we looked at using the incorrect mouse pointer. Just keep an eye on how that mouse pointer looks, because that is how you give your instructions to Excel. And now it's day 3, and day 3 we're going to talk about formula. And a lot of people's formula, they start putting it in fine, as in this example here, equals A1 minus A2. That's great, but what happens when they eventually put it in is they end up with A1 minus F27, and suddenly they think, where did F27 come from? I didn't even put in F27, and Excel has made up this apparently random cell reference. Right, let's find out why that happens. So here's my formula, and here's my spreadsheet, sorry, and what I want to do is put a formula in cell A3. So I've clicked on A3 and I've typed in my equal symbol, and I've said A1 minus A2, and it looks great, and I'm thinking, fantastic, this is going to work. And where people go wrong is, instead of pressing the enter key, they click out of the cell they're in and they click in another cell. So I'm going to click further down the spreadsheet, and you'll see this cell reference here where it says A2 will change. So if I click somewhere else, can you see it's gone to F11? And you're thinking, well, why is it F11? I didn't even type that in. And that's because you've clicked on that cell. So just to recap, I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to press my escape key. Now that's a really useful tip as well. When you're entering a formula and it's all going wrong and you want to get out of it and you want to get back to what was there before, just press your escape key. Now you find that in the top left hand side of your keyboard. So I'm going to press escape. Okay, I'm back to the beginning. Let's go again. Start with equals. We're going to start with A1. We'll put our minus sign in, and then we'll click on A2. Now I'm not going to make the same mistake as I did before, which was clicking in a different cell. I'm going to finish this formula by pressing my enter key, and there we go, it's worked out the answer correctly. So the key to this is, when you finish a formula, press your enter key and then it should work fine. Have a go, try this simple example out to start off with, and hopefully it will work for you.